Next one is lifetimers. Take business as an integral part of their life. So they take the business as a huge thing for their life. They treat business and life to be same. They don't differentiate life from business. So that's actually the dedication they show towards their business. Usually, family, enterprise, and business, which is mainly dependent on exercise of personal skill, fall in this type. So generation by generation, some people would have been doing some business, right? So that will be taken care by generation after generation. So that is going to be an integral part of their life. The business and life is mixed for them, and they don't differentiate between business and life. So they see business as an integral part of their life. So some example can be family enterprise where generation after generation they would have been carrying out a family business. So they will try to do that depending on the personal skill. For example, you would have studied about all these weavers in the clothes, weavers of clothes in rural areas of Tamil Nadu. So generation by generation, they were weaving clothes only. So they will continue to do that. For them, that is going to be their life. Business is their life for them. So if the weaving industry is very good, they thrive well. The weaving industry is that they suffer, right? So that is lifetimers. Their lifetime goal is dependent on their business only. Okay, so these are the six different types of entrepreneurs based on the behavioral patterns.